And here we go. Ball is in hand and he is running and running. Oh, ow. Oh, that looked like it hurt. Okay, now everybody's celebrating. I am not sure why. Oh, I think it's because they got a touchdown. The score just changed. Oh, look at him give each other a hug. He doesn't look very happy about this. He does. He's probably the owner of the team. And she's Snapchatting. My team won! Wah!
Hey, SpongeBob, I got you your special pie for later. All right, you got me. I ate it all. I'm weak.
What's wrong, Peppa?
I can't whistle, but everybody else can.
Oh, don't worry about those shitheads. I'm making cookies. Here we go, here we are. We're the coolest bears by far. No, we can't fit in your car. Not just bears, we're superstars. Here we go, here we are. Where'd I get this crazy scar? I fought another bear at a bar. Hey, Westbrook, you coming Saturday?
What's going on Saturday?
The party, the whole team's going. Nobody invited you?
Oh, shit.
Oh, ouch, sorry.
Oh no, silly bunny. Oh no, silly bunny. What did he forget?
Forget? Oh, my carrot cake! God dang it, I missed lunch! I'm starving! Anyone else smell poop or is that just me? It was me, I farted! And a little poop came out. You suck! You left me in the basement! I want my Pizza Hut now!
Pizza Hut sucks. I want Domino's.
Oh my god, why? This idiot crab walked on my toes with his crusty claws and now I'm bleeding!
What did you say, punk?
You have crusty claws!
Hola, soy Dora.
And I'm absolutely miserable.
Today we're at the library.
I should have listened to my mom and signed with Sesame Street.
Do you like books?